I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing any barrier. Clean the home button and your finger because oils block the sensor. Once done, back up your iPhone so you can restore if necessary. This protects your data. Next, go straight to Settings, Touch ID and Passcode, and remove all saved fingerprints. This clears corrupted templates. You're doing this to eliminate software and surface issues before deeper steps. So make sure those basics are complete before moving on to re-registering fingerprints. Now you'll rebuild the fingerprint data. Enable Touch ID and add 3 to 5 prints, including alternate fingers. This increases recognition reliability. When you register, place the pad at varied angles and lift between scans so the sensor captures edges and center. This improves matching. Make sure your finger and the home button are dry and at room temperature. Moisture or heat distorts sensors. Once complete, test unlocking and Apple Pay to confirm consistent reads before proceeding to final. Finish by systematically testing Touch ID with Unlock, Apple Pay, and App Store actions so you can spot inconsistent patterns. If issues persist, update iOS first. Software fixes often resolve sensor bugs, then reset all settings. If necessary, restore your backup to rule out corrupted settings. If none of that helps, the home button hardware or cable may be failing. Make an appointment at an Apple Store or authorized repair. Key tip: if the button is unresponsive after software steps, seek hardware service immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.